Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to create reminders on ClickUp. Maybe you want to ensure that you don't forget important tasks or deadlines by providing timely notifications about upcoming tasks. So today I'm going to show you how to create reminders on ClickUp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open the ClickUp application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you will be taken to the home page. In this page, tap on this colorful icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. A menu will pop up, and here, you can now see this reminder option. Since you wanted to create a reminder, simply tap on this button. A new window will appear, and here, type in the name of the reminder. Once you are done typing, below, you can attach a file to the reminder. You can choose whether it is a file or a photo. You can also set the due date and add time to it. After you set the time and date, don't forget to tap on Done to save the changes. Once you are done setting your reminder, simply tap on this Create button to finally create a reminder. After that, you know how successfully created a reminder on ClickUp. You can now see it listed in your home page. There you go. If you wanted to know how to create reminders on ClickUp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to create reminders on ClickUp, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.